welcome muli dito sa ating Kusina Sarangani. Hashtag is the best. Today we're making a very familiar recipe sa inyong lahat. Ito yung tinatawag nating paksiw. But it's called baked paksiw na pompano. We're using a different kind of fish. Yung Sarangani Bay na pompano. So, growing up, paksiw was actually a staple sa hapagkainan ng aming family. No? Usually, ginagamit nilang isda is, well, of course, yung ating paboritong bangus, no? Pwedeng tiyan or pwedeng buong isda. Pero ang pompano, of course, may tinik din, but very meaty siya at very juicy at very flavorful yung ating pompano. Kaya yun ang ating gagamitin. Okay, so ito yung ating pompano. We've already cleaned it. Inalis na natin yung kanyang hasang, no, at saka yung mga bituka. At nilagyan ko na ng slit, no, para pag nirab natin ng ginger, ito yung ginger, at nung garlic, pumasok yung flavor. So ito yung ating ginger, irarab natin all over the fish, no? Lagyan din natin sa ilalim kasi may slit din yan. Okay, and then may bawang din ako dito na chop na. You can also use yung pounded garlic, no? But in this case, we're using chopped garlic. So irarab natin all over the fish. Alright. Okay. And then, ito yung ating native white vinegar. Okay. Ilalagay lang natin around. Okay, and then olive oil. Lagay lang natin. Sugar. Just to neutralize the acidity of our vinegar. Salt. And then yung ating siling haba. Pwede natin ilagay dito, dito, at dito sa may buntot. What makes this paksiw quite different is that we're going to use thick cut bacon. We're going to add thick cut bacon dito sa ilalim ng isda. Okay. Ayun. Mga dalawa. Ayan. At dito sa ibabaw. Yan. Alam nyo, optional naman tong may bacon, ano? But this is something that I actually came up with, no? Para hindi masyadong maging dry yung ating fish when it's baked. Of course, with the right time or with the right cooking time or baking time, hindi naman magiging dry yung fish natin. But it gives a nice flavor and a little moistness dun sa ating fish. Okay? And then finally, yung ating peppercorns, we just sprinkle it all over. Yan. And of course, to make it really special, some tarragon leaves. And then, i-cover na natin siya ng foil. But make sure, when you're baking it, naka-preheat na yung oven nyo sa 350 degrees. And then, we're going to bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes. Takpan natin ng foil ito. Okay, so this is the aluminum foil. We're going to cover our fish. Yung ating oven-proof dish. Ngayon sabi nila, wala akong oven. Kaya ko bang iluto ito? Yes, pwede po. You can actually steam it or pasingawin nyo. Papasingaw nyo lang sa steamer. Okay? So, heated na yung oven natin. Lalagay na natin sa oven. Well friends, another easy to prepare recipe was given to you by Sarangani Bay. Ngayon, alam nyo na kung paano nyo lulutuin na kakaiba pa ang inyong pompano. For more recipes, visit us at www.saranganibay.com or visit Kusina Sarangani sa Facebook and Instagram. Hashtag is the best!